Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Kedkar. I am a surgical resident at JJ Hospital, Mumbai. Actually, I had suffered a right-sided ACL tear back 1 month ago. 15 days I met Dr. Sharath Kumar, sir. So we had come to know about him from our friends and all. We came to know that he's a very good sports medicine orthopaedician. We had gone over to him. He had advised us to undergo surgery. So I underwent right ACL arthroscopic reconstruction with hamstring graft harvest. The surgery went well. There was no complication within the surgery also. In the hospital also it was seamless. All the things were taken care of. Even during the hospital stay also, I did not have any complaints, and all the doctors, physiotherapists, everybody made sure that they were taking regular rounds, making sure that whatever, keeping a follow up on whatever my requirements might be. And even after discharge, last 7 to 8 days, physiotherapist came, made sure that I know what activities to be doing. They helped me through that whole entire process of the physiotherapy over the last few days. So yeah, the experience has been very good. Thanking all the doctors, physiotherapy, and the entire team.